Hello everyone, I am Praveen Kumar Patnayak, a third year PhD student in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The topic of my presentation for the poster session in Virtual Conference of Complex Fluids 2021 is Dynamics of Colloidal Particles in Polymer Solutions. In order to simulate the Brownian motion of a colloidal particle in polymer solution, I have used a coarse-grained molecular dynamics method known as Langevin dynamics. This method is based on Langevin equation of motion, which relates the rate of change of velocity of a Brownian particle to a dissipative force and a random force imparted by the surrounding solvent particles. In this method, the solvent particles are not explicitly modeled. Instead, their effect is taken care by adding these two forces, that is one dissipative force and the other random force. The polymer is modeled using bead spring model for the polymer chains, and the bonded interaction between the monomers in a polymer chain is modeled using finitely extensible nonlinear elastic or the Fini-potential. The non-bonded interaction between all the particles is modeled using the standard 12-6 Lennard-Jones potential. In order to simulate good solvent conditions, only the repulsive part of the Lennard-Jones potential is considered. The parameters of my simulation are given in this box. The length scale of my simulation is the size of a monomer, that is sigma p. The configuration consists of 100 number of colloidal particles of size 5 times the size of a monomer with 2,50,000 monomers in a cubic box of size 100 times the size of a monomer. This is the snapshot of a simulation. The red ones are the colloidal particles, the green ones are the polymer chains, and the black portion within the simulation box represents the solvent particles which are not explicitly modeled here. In order to study the effect of polymer chain length on diffusion of monomers, I have created 5 different configurations. Each consists of equal number of monomers, that is 2,50,000, but the polymer chain length are different, starting from 10 monomers per polymer chain to 50 monomers per polymer chain. This is the plot for mean square displacement versus lag time for the monomers in log-log scale. The time is divided into short time scale, that is 10 to 100, and long time scale, that is 100 to 1000. The mean square displacement is directly proportional to the lag time power b. The b would be 1 for Newtonian fluid. If it is more than 1, the dynamics is superdiffusive. If it is less than 1, the dynamics is subdiffusive. Here the exponent is less than 1 for all the configurations at short time scale as well as long time scale. In addition, the subdiffusive exponent decreases with increase in polymer chain length. This is the mean square displacement versus lag time plot for the colloids, which are of size 5 times the size of a monomer. From this plot, we can conclude that the mean square displacement is not that much sensitive to the change in polymer chain length, which indicates that the diffusion of the colloidal particles is not that much affected by the polymer chain length when the size of the colloidal particles is smaller than the size of the polymer chain. In summary, the diffusion of the monomers is sensitive to change in polymer chain length, while the diffusion of colloids of size smaller than the polymer chain length is not. Thank you.